Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 4 methods to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Wi-Fi is not working, Wi-Fi is not connecting, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Go to Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi network which has issue. Tap on forget this network. Tap on forget. Done. So now I have deleted Wi-Fi network which has problem. Then try to connect to same Wi-Fi network. From this list, select the Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password. Then tap on join. Okay, done, connected. Then tap on this icon. Here you can see connection details. This is a method 1. Just delete Wi-Fi network which has issue, then reconnect. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Tap on the settings sub icon. Go to general. Go down. Select transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings. Here we have to enter the password of the phone. Tap on reset network settings. Now reset is in progress. It reset only the network settings. It won't delete any data from your phone. After reset, phone will restart. So please wait. Okay, reset has been completed. Let me log in. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go to Wi-Fi. Then from this list we need to again select the Wi-Fi network and connect. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Then tap on join. Okay, connected. Tap on this icon. Here you can see connection details. This is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3. Go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go to general. Tap on VPN and device management. If you are using VPN, you have to disconnect from the VPN. From this screen, you can disconnect from the VPN. This is a method 3. Let me go to method 4. Method 4. Go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go down. Select privacy and security. Tap on device services, location services. Tap on location services. Here you can see location services. We need to turn off location services. Tap here, then tap on turn off. Then wait for some time, then turn on location services. Go down, select system services. Here you can see networking and wireless. Tap here and turn off networking and wireless. Turn off. Then you can restart the phone. After restart, again come here and turn on networking and wireless. Then go back and check Wi-Fi network. That should work. So this is a method 4. So these are 4 methods to fix Wi-Fi problems. Please check it.